Here's the Böker Strike Auto. Red means the safety's off. No color means safety is on. Cannot be fired. Pull it back. Blade comes out using a spring. Very easy to disassemble. T8, T6, T6. Nothing on the pivot on the reverse. T6, T6. If you're wondering why this is an automatic knife, Boker does not actually sell them as automatics. They sell them as button locks with an optional safety. I bought this one from Blade HQ for about $40 and found out that they do not have a warranty due to Blade HQ actually being the source of the auto action. There's a spring in here that they add in, as you will see now. There are also some other features that don't really make sense to me unless Boker knows that people are just going to make them into autos. Try to keep this part together, especially the pin. And here it is. This is the spring that they add. You actually need to keep this little copper washer. There's your spring. This has a notch in it. Make sure to line it up. There we go. Don't lose the spring. This is for the button lock. There's your button. Put a finger on the back side to keep that pivot in. There is no washer on this side, just Teflon on this side. So yeah, we just do the reverse of the disassembly. This might be easier to do the scale first. Yeah, put that scale on there first, it's easier. Okay. Now we are roughly reassembled. Is it the smoothest button lock ever? No. But is it now legal in a whole lot more places. Yeah, it is. So, that's it. I've been Joe, and you've been watching Ink&Iron. Thanks for joining me tonight, and I'll catch you on my next video.